Hey there, health enthusiasts. Ever feel like navigating healthy eating is like deciphering ancient hieroglyphics? With so much conflicting advice, confusing fad diets, and tricky food labels, it's easy to feel lost before you even start. Well, buckle up, because we're about to crack the code. We're going to simplify things and give you the simple, actionable principles that truly make a difference. These are the top 10 rules of healthy eating. Healthy eating isn't about deprivation, it's about empowerment. It's about giving your body the incredible fuel it needs to thrive, boosting your energy levels, and feeling absolutely amazing from the inside out. These aren't just random tips. These rules are based on solid science and years of research into what truly nourishes us. Our goal is to help you build a sustainable lifestyle, not just offer a temporary fix. We'll cover everything from choosing the right foods to listening to your body. Let's dive right into the heart of it with top 10 rules that will transform your relationship with food and your health. Think vibrant fruits, colorful vegetables, hearty whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in their natural state. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They provide your body with the most efficient and clean-burning fuel possible. They help your body function optimally and provide sustained energy throughout the day. Making them the foundation of your diet is key. Water is absolutely critical for every single bodily function. It's not just about quenching thirst. Proper hydration supports your metabolism, aids digestion, helps transport nutrients, and keeps your energy levels up. Make water your primary beverage throughout the day. Don't wait until you're thirsty to drink. Forget the old fear of fats. Good fats are essential for your health. They are vital for brain function, hormone production, and helping your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins. Include sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish in your diet. These fats are your friends. Fiber is a superstar nutrient that often doesn't get enough credit. It's crucial for digestive health, helps you feel full and satisfied after meals, and plays a big role in managing blood sugar levels. Find fiber in foods like beans, lentils, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Aim to include them in every meal. Understanding how much you're eating is just as important as what you're eating. Mindful portion control helps manage calorie intake without feeling deprived. It's about balance, not restriction. Use smaller plates, pay attention to serving sizes on labels, and learn visual cues for appropriate amounts. Empower yourself by knowing exactly what's in your food. Food labels are your guide. Look beyond the front of package claims. Check the ingredients list for added sugars, unhealthy fats, and excessive sodium. Understanding serving sizes and nutritional information helps you make informed choices quickly and confidently. Taking control of your kitchen is one of the most powerful steps you can take for your health. Cooking at home allows you to choose fresh ingredients and control exactly what goes into your meals. It's often more cost-effective and can be a rewarding, enjoyable process. Start simple and build your skills. A little planning goes a long way in healthy eating. It removes guesswork and reduces stress. Planning your meals and snacks for the week helps you make healthier choices when you're busy or tired. It also makes grocery shopping easier and helps prevent those last-minute, less healthy impulse decisions. Move away from rigid external rules and tune into your internal wisdom. Your body sends you signals. Pay attention to true physical hunger and stop eating when you feel comfortably satisfied, not stuffed. Mindful eating helps you appreciate your food and connect with your body's needs. Healthy eating is about balance and sustainability, not perfection. There's room for enjoyment. Allowing yourself occasional, moderate indulgences prevents feelings of deprivation and makes healthy eating a lifestyle you can stick to long-term. It's about fitting treats into your overall healthy pattern, not letting them derail your efforts. These 10 rules, when combined, create a powerful framework for optimal health. Implementing them might seem like a lot at once, but remember, it's simpler than you think when you take it step by step. These aren't just rules. They are building blocks for a healthier, more energetic, and vibrant you which of these rules resonates with you the most? Which one are you most excited to implement in your life starting today? Maybe it's drinking more water, trying a new healthy fat source, or planning your meals for the week. Let me know in the comments below. I'm eager to hear your thoughts and experiences as you embark on or continue your health journey. Remember, healthy eating is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up to big, life-changing results over time. By consistently following these 10 rules, you'll be well on your way to a healthier, happier, and more vibrant you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on living your best life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.